Hello, hi, how are
Hello,
you?
I'm doing pretty well. And what about you?
I'm also good. Okay.
Okay,
How is weather there?
so too hot.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah,
Nowadays it's so hot here also. But
yeah.
yesterday some dazzling here.
Okay, but here is too hot. Yeah.
Okay.
So please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. Okay. I'm Priya. I'm from Maharashtra. I have done my graduation. I have
Uh,
two kids and I am married and I'm a housemaker. That's it.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
so nice.
Mm.
So,
So tell me
mm,
about yourself, just two lines.
yeah, as you know, my name is Kalpana, and
Okay.
I am also homemaker.
Yeah.
And I have done my master of art in English from Bareilly College, Bareilly. And yeah, I have one kid, and my interest is in singing, dancing, and listening music, reading books. So that's all about me.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay. How is your
So
kids? How is your
and
kids?
my son is 10 years old.
Okay. Same here.
Yeah.
My son also 10 years old.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and your daughter, how old
Yeah.
are she?
Uh, she is 1 year old.
She is 1 year.
Yeah.
So, how to manage all these things? It's difficult
Yeah. So
for
difficult.
you.
I have no time for me.
Okay. Yeah, I know that. So, um, what is your hobby?
Yeah. My hobby is reading, listening music, and watching TV. And sometimes I learn English. Nowadays, I'm learning English. So
Okay. So, what you do to learn English?
mm, I'm doing nowadays. I'm doing a reading practice and speaking practice. Reading and speaking practice because just speaking problem is here with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that's it. That's all. So you have any topic?
Yeah. So, do you believe in God?
Yeah, I'm in believing in God.
Okay.
I believe in Lord.
Yeah.
I'm believing God because I heard words from our childhood. My parents also taught me to
Yeah.
worship regularly, go to a temple regularly.
Yeah.
So we automatically believing in God.
Yes. I'm also believe in God.
Yo, that's good.
Yeah.
Also, I'm teaching to also my kids do regularly whenever to take a bath, go to in front of mandir and take this 11 times chanting in kind of chanting.
Yeah. Yeah. When children saw him, when children saw themselves, then they are learn automatically all these things.
Yeah. Because they
Yeah.
saw me, na? They what mom
Yeah.
were doing every day.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Uh,
So
so that
and
beautiful.
we don't need to learn them. They are
Yeah.
they learned automatically.
Yes. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Yeah, they learn.
But you know what? Some people says God does not exist. Do you agree with?
No, I'm not agree with this point.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
I always feel that
hmm,
God always protect me and my family, and God always with me. So I believe in God.
Yeah, of course.
Yes,
Yeah,
and
some people
when
say
I want
on.
to feel nervous and I feel sad, then I God gives me strength to overcome all these things.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. My opinion is don't. Some people says God does not exist, but I feel God is around me every time. He
Yes.
protect me
Yes.
a lot. Whenever I am in trouble, He protect
Yeah.
me.
Yes. 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 uh, I feel the same.
Yeah.
We so what do you what do does his husband her husband?
Yeah, he's engineer in IT sector.
Oh, okay, okay.
And what do your husband?
He has a hardware shop.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay. How many member in your family?
There are 15 members in my family, but my in-laws lives in a village and I live in a city.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah. Just because my husband is running a shop, that's why.
Yeah, yeah. That's why I'm left our village. We come here for job.
Yeah. So, in which class study your child?
Yeah, yeah. He is third standard.
Okay.
Uh, Sometimes,
So, do you? Yeah.
sometimes um, I speak with English him because of.
Okay, that's a good thing.
Yeah, yeah,
So he is in English medium school.
yeah, yeah. Because he is motivator behind me.
Okay. Do you have a YouTube channel?
And no, I have not a YouTube channel.
Okay. So
Yeah,
you want to open?
yeah. I'm thinking about it to open the YouTube channel, but time. I'm not managing time because
Yeah.
yeah, lots of effort do for this YouTube channel. That's why
Yes.
you are
Yes.
taking the effort. You give to time to YouTube channel also.
Yes.
This is
Yes. When we get free, then we have to proper time to make video. So we
yeah.
need time. Then we
Hmm.
can do.
Yeah. Nowadays I'm focusing on my English learning. After some days I will be try.
Okay, that's a
Yeah.
great thing, and you can start when you feel comfortable. Then
Yeah, yeah. You have ever come in Maharashtra?
no,
Okay.
I never.
Okay.
Yeah. So, what makes you angry?
Yeah, someone lied to me. Na, that time I'm very angry.
Okay. Okay. What makes you happy?
Yeah. If someone surprise me suddenly, so that I'm very happy.
Okay. Yeah. When we get
Mm.
surprised, then we feel happy.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
expect every time someone who come at my home and surprise me, especially on my
Okay.
birthday. So like I like I like that type of things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
So
what would you? Yeah.
what kind of a work you do nowadays for this YouTube language? Sorry, YouTube channel you making?
Actually, I'm not getting your point.
Okay, sorry. Means what kind of effort you do for this YouTube channel?
Yeah, I'm trying to having a conversation with someone to
Yeah.
improve my speaking skills, and
Okay.
I'm always when I get free,
Mm-hmm.
then I read books and whatever thoughts comes in my mind, then I write in a
Okay.
notebook, and
Okay.
I watch some videos, and some listen some speeches to improve my speaking skill.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
You're taking lots of effort for that.
Yes, yes, yes. I want to be a good speaker, so that's why I'm trying. I'm always trying to do better.
Yeah, one day will be you becoming a one native speaker.
Yeah, I hope
Yeah,
so.
yeah, of course.
So, mm,
Any have a question?
yeah, I have a
Mm.
question. What would you like to do in your free time?
Yeah. Uh, I said you my also like one of hobby I can told you.
Hmm.
Uh, my dancing is also my hobby. When I get time, I will dance that time.
Okay, okay. And what is your strength?
Mm, my strength is my family. Is supporting,
Okay.
so that's why
Yeah, yeah.
whatever I
Of
want, they give me.
Yeah, of course, our family always support us. That's why we and it's a strength for us.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
So
uh, you go, you will go daily in temple?
no, but I worship daily.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So I will same here.
Yes,
Uh,
I do not. I can't go temple daily.
mm,
Yeah. So
yeah, because we can't get a
in the
proper time.
morning time, I have lots of work. So
Yeah.
that's why I'm not able to go anywhere daily.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yes.
when you are get time, suppose my husband is on leave, so that time we will go to a temple.
Yes, yes. When any occasion, any festival, then I trying to go there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course. Yeah, but we will do worship regularly.
Yeah, yeah. I worship daily.
Yeah. le-
So, what you feel? What do you feel?
Yeah.
Talk with me.
Yeah, I'm feeling too good. You're so
Okay.
kind person.
Okay. This is your first conversation.
Yeah, this is my first connection with you.
Okay.
So good, and I'm trying to talk with you so long days, but this today we'll talk.
Yeah, yeah, I know. So, okay. So nice talk to you,
Yeah, of
and we will
course.
meet again. And I'm so happy talk with you.
Yeah, same
Yeah.
here. Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
bye.
Bye. Have a nice
Take.
day.
Okay. Same here.
Okay.